everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. It's pretty chilly here in BC, but it's pretty nice, pretty sunny. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of new videos or any of the fun. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. And today is a highly requested video. It's in this bag from, I don't have the original bag, but I do have a dust bag from Leather Surgeons. So Alex in Houston, Texas wanted to know the wear and tear on my Chanel bag. So this is for you, Alex, in Austin. I like it in Austin, I like it in Dallas. I've even been to Beaumont, Texas, because I used to work for Mobil Oil and I'd go around to all the different rigs and do all that fun. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's see what we have in the bag here. All right. So this is the ruthenium chain that I had lengthened. It doesn't come with this long of a chain, but Leather Surgeons helped me with that. And this is original Chanel chain. This is an aftermarket. I did ask them when they redid the bag if the chain was authentic from Chanel, and Leather Surgeons assured me that it was. So that's the same chain, but just so I can use it crossbody, because the one that came with this original bag from Yoogiscloset was like that big. There's no way that that's going over my fat arms. So I figured this is going to be a forever bag, so I got it cleaned. They fixed it for me. They buffed up the lock in the front. They put a protection over the serial number because it was peeling, and it did come with the authentication card, and Leather Surgeons did authenticate it as a real Chanel bag. So let's go ahead and get started on the wear and tear. There really isn't any that I can see. It's just basically wear because of the age of the bag. And Leather Surgeons can only do so much, but they did a remarkable job on this bag. Because this bag, when I first got it, the chain was all messed up. This chain here was all like broken, and the bottom, see how the bottom is? The bottom was all pretty much white, and they redone the whole bag for me. This is like a dark gray with ruthenium hardware. It's patchwork style in lambskin. They're also calling it a reissue style, and they also call it a candy bar style. But basically, it's a gorgeous bag. It doesn't hold a lot, but it does hold your daily essentials, and I'll show you that. This is the inside of the bag. And then it has a zipper here. You can see that. And then in the inside, it's kind of like a nylon ribbon material. I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty good size for a Chanel bag. Usually these are pretty small, but it has an open spot right there, and then it does have a zipper compartment there, and I think that's it. Yeah, and then they did buff up the hardware, and that was all scratched up, and look at it now. It's like really gorgeous. And they did this as well. All right, and that's the sides. Okay, and there is some folding here, but that's just the nature of the bag. But it wasn't ripped up or anything like that. It just was well used. And it's an old bag. And it just needed some help, basically. But on the site it said good, but it really should have said well used. But I went ahead and got it anyways because I really like the color. And there's another YouTuber that has the same bag, but it's in suede. And her bag is gorgeous. It's like beige and pink, and I'll leave her name below. Make sure that you go follow her. Her name is Monica, and she has a very beautiful collection. But this is my one and only Chanel bag. If money was no object, I would like to have a reissue Chanel bag in black with ruthenium hardware, but I think this is going to be my Chanel bag, basically. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And I did get a Samorga organizer for it. This is really cool color. It's kind of like a pumpkin color, so it's perfect for the fall. It goes really beautiful inside the bag, so I'll go ahead and show that to you real quick. And I just have some tissue. I have a little organizer bag that I made. And then I did get a few of they're called trios from Samorga. And you can put little stuff in there. You can get them in all different colors. So I like to keep an extra one in there, but this one just has lip gloss from Lancome and my Louis travel spray. I stick that in there, and then I just have some change for the lottery. And then this is my phone. It's XR phone with the Ottobox Defender case on it. And then I have my vintage Fendi sunglasses. It says Fendi. And I get a lot of compliments on these. I got my mom a pair. They're kind of hard to find, but these look good with anything. So I really like these. These are one of my favorite sunglasses. And I did get a Chanel wallet from Fashion File. And it came in a dust cover like that. I have the authentication card with it. This is pretty cool. This is aged calfskin, and it has the burgundy trim, and it has the silver hardware. So it goes like that. It's in really super good condition for the age. And then on the back side, it has the Chanel. And then it has some card holders there. That's the authenticity card. And then here it has a space for bills. All right. So I use this in here. So it looks similar to that. And I'll go ahead and put it in the bag real quick. And this keeps its shape because these lambskin bags, they lose their shape pretty quick because they're squishy leather. Let's see how that looks. And then what I do is I just stick my phone like in the back. Like that. Okay. And then I just I usually just carry my sunglasses. And that pretty much you might have to do Tetris, but you kind of get an idea. That's pretty packed. So I'll have to do a little Tetris on it. But other than that, this bag is really excellent. I would highly recommend getting one if you can find one. And they, like I said, they have them in lambskin, they have them in suede, they have them in fabric. They have them in a lot of different styles, but I would try to get one in the best condition you can get it. And if you need to, there's leather surgeons that can definitely fix your bag. They sew bags, they do so much. They're really amazing. I highly recommend them. Like I said, I got the chain lengthened. This looks like a pretty much, I mean, it's not going to look brand new, but it's going to look pretty good. So I'm super happy with what they helped me out with. And the price really for what they do is really super affordable. I was really surprised. For the amount of work that they did on this bag, for the amount of money that they paid me, I cannot complain. I mean, they brought this bag back to life, basically. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Senior Style from a senior point of view, and I hope everybody has a great week, and look forward to more videos coming out this week. All right, thanks again, Alex, for your request, and keep the requests coming. Bye now.